jojoba seed oil, which we have here, certified organic. Jamaican black castor oil, which also comes with argan oil. Grapeseed oil from Now Solutions, which is a pretty good brand. You guys should definitely check it out. And we also have vitamin E moisturizing oil. We're gonna use peppermint, tea tree, and rosemary, pure essential oils. Guys, this is gold that I'm sharing with you, okay? So screenshot, take notes, because this is definitely essential. So we're making 24 ounces total, right? Because we have 12 2-ounce bottles. So that means here, we're gonna use 1 ounce vitamin E safflower. We're gonna use 1 ounce of black Jamaican castor oil. We're gonna use 2 ounces of jojoba oil. We're gonna use 10 ounces of sunflower oil and 10 ounces of grape seed oil. 2.5 milliliters of each essential oil. My hands are sanitized, my products are sanitized, my working station is sanitized. Girl, everything is sanitized. The whole bottle is going in that bad boy. Natural. The best, like my little niece says, the one recording, she says the best potion for your hair. And she's totally right about that, right? Alrighty, let's do this. This is awesome, guys. It looks like some of these have too much in there, but this is 24 ounces total. Do you see the color of it? It's just so amazing. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below. Leave me a comment. I love comments.